Key committees of the Constituent Assembly. The formation of Indian Constitution was a monumental task that required thorough deliberation and extensive discourse. To facilitate this, the Constituent Assembly of India operated through various committees, each entrusted with specific responsibilities. Committees in a deliberative body like the Constituent Assembly play a crucial role in dividing the workload, enabling in-depth analysis, and ensuring that each aspect of the Constitution receives adequate attention. By breaking down the complex task of constitution making into manageable parts, committees allowed for focused discussions and expert input on specialized subjects, ultimately leading to a comprehensive and well-considered document. Major committees of the Constituent Assembly. First one is the Drafting Committee. Chairman is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The drafting committee was perhaps the most pivotal among all, charged with the responsibility of preparing the draft constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, known for his legal acumen and vision for social justice, chaired this committee. The committee considered proposals from other committees and synthesized them into a cohesive draft. It worked meticulously to balance the diverse and often conflicting interests represented in the Assembly. The drafting committee's final draft was instrumental in shaping the Constitution, ensuring it was comprehensive, inclusive, and reflective of India's pluralistic society. Second one is the Union Constitution Committee. Chaired by Jawaharlal Nehru, this committee was tasked with outlining the framework of the Union government. Its mandate included determining the distribution of legislative powers between the Union and the states, structuring the Union executive, and addressing fundamental rights. The committee's work laid the groundwork for a strong central government while balancing state autonomy. Nehru's leadership was critical in navigating the complexities of federal governance and ensuring the central authority was robust enough to maintain unity while accommodating regional diversities. Third one is the Provincial Constitution Committee. Vallabhbhai Patel, known as the Iron Man of India, chaired the Provincial Constitution Committee, which focused on the framework of provincial governments or the state governments. This committee dealt with provincial autonomy, the division of powers between the centre and the states, and the structure of provincial legislatures. Patel's pragmatic approach ensured that the states had sufficient autonomy while remaining integral parts of the Union. The committee's recommendations were crucial in delineating the federal structure of the country. Fourth one is Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, Minorities, and Tribal and Excluded Areas. The chairman of this committee is Vallabhbhai Patel. This committee, chaired by Patel, examined issues related to fundamental rights, protection of minorities, and safeguards for tribal and excluded areas. It played a significant role in incorporating provisions that guaranteed civil liberties, protection against discrimination, and measures for the upliftment of disadvantaged groups. The committee's recommendations were foundational in ensuring that the Constitution not only upheld democratic principles but also promoted social justice and equality. Fifth one is the Union Powers Committee, chaired by Jawaharlal Nehru. The Union Powers Committee under Nehru's chairmanship focused on the allocation of powers among the legislative, executive, and judicial branches between the centre and the provinces. This committee's work was vital in defining the balance of power, preventing both excessive centralization and undue fragmentation. The resulting structure was a delicate balance aimed at promoting effective governance while respecting regional aspirations. Some other important committees include: the first one is the Steering Committee. The Steering Committee played a crucial role in guiding the overall functioning of the Assembly. It prepared the agenda for the meetings, coordinated between various committees, and ensured the smooth progress of Assembly's proceedings. This committee was essential in maintaining order and focus throughout the constitution-making process. Second one is Rules of Procedure Committee. This committee was tasked with drafting and finalizing the rules governing the Assembly's operations. By establishing clear procedures for debates, voting, and other parliamentary processes, the committee ensured that the Assembly's deliberations were orderly and effective. The rules developed by this committee facilitated structured and productive discussions. Third one is States Committee, that is the committee for negotiating with states. This committee was responsible for negotiating with princely states regarding their accession to the Indian Union. The committee's efforts were critical in integrating the princely states into the newly independent India, ensuring a united and cohesive nation. Their negotiations helped in addressing the complexities and sensitivities involved in bringing these states into the constitutional fold. Let's see the significance of the committees. The committees of the Constituent Assembly played an indispensable role in the constitution-making process. Their detailed examination of complex issues allowed for thorough and nuanced discussions. By delegating specific tasks to specialized communities, the Assembly could focus on a wide array of topics simultaneously, ensuring a comprehensive approach to constitution drafting. Furthermore, the committee system provided a platform for diverse viewpoints, fostering an inclusive and participatory process. This inclusivity was critical in addressing the varied aspirations and concerns of India's multifaceted society. The collaboration among committee members who brought different perspectives and expertise resulted in a balanced and well-rounded constitution. To conclude, the key committees of the Constituent Assembly significantly contributed to the final Constitution of India. Their diligent efforts, expert deliberations, and collaborative spirit ensured that the Constitution was not only the legal document but also a reflection of India's democratic ethos and social diversity. The committee system exemplified the importance of collaboration and consensus building in the constitution-making process, ultimately leading to a constitution that has stood the test of time and continues to guide the nation. By understanding the roles and functions of these committees, we gain valuable insights into the meticulous process that shaped the foundational legal framework of the Republic of India. The Constituent Assembly's approach serves as a model of how diverse viewpoints and expertise can be harmonized to create a robust and enduring governance structure.